Hi, welcome again. This episode is how to do drops on Atomic Hub. So, something we didn't do last time is show you that your collection actually has to have these drops and packs in them. So if that didn't work, just put an Atomic Packs X into your collection so they can mint it out. Sorry for leaving that out, the last thing. So the same thing goes here, you know, like you send the wax, probably about 5 to 10 if you want to start off. And it's just going to be atomic drops this time. And it does do the same, deposit, RAM, collection, that whole deal. And random stuff. I'm actually not going to deposit it because I only have one wax, but you'll do that. And make sure it's whitelisted. And you got your packs already ready to go for your drop. Random stuff. Get that number 80821, and you're going to go to Bloxio again. And make sure that it's on wax. This time we're going to go atomic drops. And contract. You can check your RAM balances to make sure that you did get your RAM. Quite a few more people on the drops than there is this, so random's going to be way up there. HRJK, elemental PQR. Random stuffs, and I got my bits, so you see that. I'll just go back. I'm not having troubles. It's super easy, I promise. Alright, so we're on atomic drops. We'll go to the actions, and it's going to be create drop, and hoqy.ram, random stuffs. So this is the weird part. There is a template for this, and actually just install a template so I can do it. I'm gonna get that 80821. I will have that in the description too. For your listing price, it's imperative you have 8 digits after the point. And let's say we'll do this for 2 wax. There's 5 cards in it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You know, if you wanted to do it for 5.5 wax, which we're actually going to do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The settlement symbol, you can settle for dust or whatever currency really, but we're just gonna go 8 and wax right after capitals. Price receipt is gonna be me because I want the money. Authorized required, that's for whitelist. Either way, you're gonna have to do that at some point. Max claimable, we're not gonna actually make a limit, so just leave that blank. Account limit, we are going to make a limit. No one can buy more than 100. Doubt anybody will do that. We don't need a cooldown, we don't need a start time, we don't need an end time, we don't need no data. That's pretty much it for the drop. You just submit your transaction and good to go. Forgot what to put for infinite, so maybe we will make a limit of 10,000. 100,000. Ha ha ha. I think you might be able to put well, I forgot, to be quite honest. I'm sure you could look it up there's a lot more people that know what they're doing with wax. Expected string. I think we do got it all. Oh, listing price. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and you're actually gonna have to put wax at the end of it. That's what I messed up. Sorry about that, guys. Kind of hard to keep everything all together, but that's it. It's your drop. You can check it by looking at the traces. The same exact ID. 11430 will be my drop number, and you can just go to Atomic Hubs, and if you're not already going under drops, it's a really awesome way to see what's there, but it will only show whitelisted collections. So to see I collection, because it is not whitelisted yet, we'll have to go like that. And we'll buy one, because I think I have just enough. Go figure, huh? Got the first pack, and yeah. Hope you guys enjoy, and if you like the video and got any use out of it, I'd love to get one of your packs for free, or, you know, shout out to me if it's cheap. I have some coins, I'll buy it, totally. Hope this guide helped you learn how to do the drop for your pack, or just a drop in general. And feel free to follow, like, and subscribe. Thanks. Peace.